Spiderman, Ironman, Leonardo, Donatello, Rubble. Hey fans, today on Tons of Toys we have some of our favorite characters from several different TV shows and movies. We met Spider-Man, Leonardo, Rubble, Donatello, and Iron Man. Let's learn some colors. Pink, purple, yellow, green, orange. All of our characters' caps are on top of bottles of slime. Which one should we grab first? Let's start with Spider-Man. Come on over, Spider-Man. Alright, here's Spider-Man. Let's slime Spider-Man. Oh, there's so much slime. Oh, it's so slimy. Spider-Man is covered in pink slime. Oh wow, do we have toy surprises? What do we have here? We have a Power Ranger figure-all keyring. Look at all of our options. We could get the Pink Ranger, the Blue Ranger, the Green Ranger, red. We could get Goldar, Rita Repulsa. Which one do we get? Let's open it up. Oh my goodness, we just got the Pink Power Ranger. Look at her. She's pink, she's got the white diamonds on her chest, that super awesome belt that she has, and she's a keychain. Hey guys, do you have a favorite Power Rangers character? If you do, let us know in the comments below. Oh, that's awesome. Bam, 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 bam. Hey guys, do you like slime? And do you like Spider-Man? If you do, give this video a big thumbs up. That lets us know to make more videos with slime and with Spider-Man. Alright, we just slimed Spider-Man. Who's next? Leonardo, come on down. Oh, poor Leonardo, he's about to get slimed. Oh, look at all this purple slime. It's so slimy. Oh, Leonardo! So much slime! Look at him! He's all covered in purple slime. Oh, whoa, what is that? We got more toy surprises! This is a DC Comics Oshie's. It's a pencil topper! These are our available pencil topper options. We could get Batman, Joker, Aquaman, Lex Luthor, Batman Beyond. I hope we get Catwoman. She's one of my favorite characters. Let's see which one we got. Oh, look at this. Look at this little guy. This little character is super cool. It's got a bald head, green outfit, some purple boots that go along with our purple slime. That is cool. Let's see who this is. Hey guys, did you guess Lex Luthor? Because if you did, you're right. It's Lex Luthor. He's one of our villain characters. He's always giving Superman problems. Oh, poor Leonardo. Rubble, come on down. Oh, poor Rubble, you're about to get slimed. Let's get some of that slime out of that bottle. Oh, look at that yellow slime. It's super slimy. Oh my goodness, look at that slime. Look at all that yellow slime. Oh, poor Rubble. Look at him. He's all full of slime. Oh, there he is. There's Rubble. Oh, whoa! What do we get? It's another toy surprise! This is a Minecraft minifigure. Do you guys like playing Minecraft? If you do, let us know in the comments below. We can craft our collection. You could get a mushroom in Minecraft, a pig in Minecraft, an iron golem. Let's open it up and find out which one we have. Oh, we got a toy surprise. Look at that. Oh, check it out. This is a Diamond Steven minecart. He's in his little minecart. He's got his square blue head. That is super cool. Oh, Rubble, you got slimed. Donatello, come on down. Oh no, Donatello, you're about to get slimed. We got some super awesome slime for Donatello. Hey guys, if you know what color this slime is, let us know in the comments below. Oh, look at all that slime. Oh, Donatello. Look at all that slime. Look at that slime. There he is. There's Donatello. He's getting slimed. Super slimy. Oh, dude, look at that. It's a Paw Patrol Super Pop Super Squishy Mashems. Let's open it up. Oh, wow! We got Sky! She's our pilot Paw Patrol pup! She's super awesome because she flies around saving other animals. She's pink, she wears pink goggles and a pink outfit, and she's super cute. Let's give her a squish. Oh, she's super squishy! Look at that! Should we give her a pull? Oh, let's give her another pull. There we go. Hey fans, do you have a favorite Paw Patrol pup? If you do, let us know what your favorite Paw Patrol pup is in the comments below. Oh, you got slimed, Donatello! And last but not least, Ironman, come on down. Ironman, you're about to get slimed. Oh, we got some orange slime for you, Ironman. Look at that, it's super slimy. Oh, look how slimy that is. Oh, you just got slimed. Look at that. Super slimy. It's super squishy. It's super gross. Look at that. It's super orange. Look how orange that is. Oh, whoa, what do we get? Oh my goodness. We got some pint-sized heroes, Marvel Comics, Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Hey fans, have you seen Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2? And if you did, do you have a favorite Guardians of the Galaxy character? If you do, let us know in the comments below. Our favorite is Groot. I am Groot. These are some collectibles. You have so many options. Let's see which one we got. Alright, check it out. Here's our Collect-em-all guide. Let's see which one we got here. It looks like we got Star-Lord. You can tell it's Star-Lord because he's got that very special mask that he wears when he goes into outer space with the red eyes. He's one of our favorite characters. Super fun. Star-Lord. Poor Iron Man, you got slimed. Wow, guys, this episode was a ton of fun. Look at all these super cool toy surprises we got. Which one of the toy surprises was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. My favorite was Sky. I'm always a fan of Paw Patrol, especially if they're squishy. Thanks for joining us today here on Tons of Toys. If you enjoyed the video and you want us to do more slime videos, give us a big thumbs up. And of course, before you go, there's going to be a little circle that appears in the middle of the screen. Click on it to subscribe to Tons of Toys. That way, you never miss out on any fun episodes. Have a great day. Bye-bye.